In today's video, we're gonna open this Mega Charizard Y EX Tin. Let's go! Så ja, det är så här vi gillar katter. Vi gillar när ni är aktiva. Ni ska ju ha facet utåt. Vad vill ni mig? Vad har jag gjort? So now, we have a few cats in the way. So let's get straight into it. Very nice tin. Oops. And we got an hit. We got an Mega Charizard Y. Let's go. Best part with the tins that we got a guaranteed hit. And that's nice. And we have Phantasmal Flames, Mega Evolution, and Destiny Rivals. And nothing. We're gonna start with Phantasmal Flames. And we wanna get the Charizard. And it will be in these boxes. Right, cats? Hey. Do we get the Charizard here? Let's hope for it. And we do get on Ghastly, Togedemaru, Palmy, Chardet, Disling Valley, Melekta, Horncrow, Genesect, nothing, Disling Valley, nothing, Plume Hollow, let's go, nothing, very bad. Another Phantasmal Flames, please give us something good. Please. Right, cats? This is a Charmeleon. Come, katter. Charmeleon is good, because now we will get a Charizard later. Right? Jumper, Nimble, Piloswine, Alcremie, Haunter, Battle Cage, Pamo, Snubble, Flygon Reverse Hollow. Oh, I mean Hollow. Let's go. We like these. Mega Evolution. That's good, right? Nothing, and nothing again. We like getting nothing, right? Leo, Tankatink, Graveyard, Sandshrew, Ninjask, Repel, Marshadow, Ultra Ball. Come on. Let's go, Shedinja. Let's go. Is it worth something? $3 maybe? I don't know. And nothing. Here, Yama. Oh, it's a hit. It's a hit. Full art hit. Probably worth nada. Now it's Destiny Rivals. So please, this time, give us the Mewtwo. Or something else. Something at least. We can't go out with a Shedinja. Quilava, Baltoy, Sudowoodo, Skwovet, Tea Machine, Hippovodon, Margreen, Nosepass, nothing. Last card, last pack magic, last card. And it's nothing. Sneasel. Reverse hollow. Full hollow, I mean. Bruh. This was the only thing we got. And the Mega Charizard Y. I hope the Shedinja is good, worth something at least. But please catch. But if you like this video, give us a follow. Because my cats want to open more packs. Give us a high five. High five. High five. High five. Snyggt. Duktig.